Basically, fuck you. Look how fast she's driving, too. Or she. Yeah, put your blinker on now. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're supposed to come to a complete stop. Oh, that's going to FedEx. I'm sorry. I got nothing else better to do. No turn on red right there. I mean, there's a turn on red, but he didn't stop.
Yeah, only from the right lane you can turn.
I'll put that to FedEx. Oh, no, you just lost your fucking job.
The paint company, he didn't stop at all. He went right through.
Yeah, he went through too, and I'm sending one to them too. I don't give a fuck. I'm tired. I'm sorry. You caught me on the wrong day. That's my day off. I gotta take that, put that, download in that computer, send it off to the company. Yeah. Sick of people driving like assholes.